I am Shaina Jamdagni from Prudence School Dwaka 22 of class 7th E. I have made a Mahakal mask which is worn during traditional Sikkim folk dance. My theme is culture and environment. Materials I have used for making this Mahakal mask are these. I am applying tissue with mixture of glue and water on the plastic cutout to harden it. I have cut out cardboard of different designs to make a 3D effect on the mask. I have made eyes and teeth of the mask with Fevicryl Shilpkar. After painting the mask, my Mahakal mask is ready.